salute the sacred soil of Saurashtra because my father, મારા પૂજ્ય પિતાશ્રી ધીરુભાઈ અંબાણી સૌરાષ્ટ્રની ધરતીના પુત્ર હતા. એમનો જન્મ અહીંયા ચોરવાડમાં જ થયો હતો. Most respected Prime Minister, you have restored to India its civilization self-belief. Never in the history of independent India have we seen so much hope, so much self-confidence, and so much vibrancy in India as we do now. Your vision has reshaped India's trajectory for the next 50 years and more. History will record that the Modi era is when India moved from potential to performance, from aspiration to action, from being a follower to becoming a global force. Dear friends, for Reliance, Gujarat is far more than a location. Gujarat is our body, heart and soul. We are a Gujarati company.
ઘરની વીજળી સ્વયં બનાવવા આજે સે સોલારનો સંપર્ક કરો.